I hit one.
Where?
I hit one. Right there.
In the middle.
Yeah, he did. Right here in the middle.
Well,
okay, that gets off the course then.
no, let me help you with that one. This is the procession, and this is just our walk out to our sacred space where we get to connect with our ancestors and the gods. This bloat has ended. Pass the king, but inbounds. And the ideal is to get it as close to me as possible, right? I hit one.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, he did. Right here in the middle.
Okay, that gets off the course then.
No, let me help you with that one.
You guys gotta get along.
Do we?
we don't.
Do we have to get along?
So much beef. Ow!
I feel like this feud is going on long enough.
I'm gonna need a wave over there from the peanut gallery. Hey, I missed that. Do it again.
Master and student, locked in a game of wills and strategy. Who will win? Aged teacher or young student?
Strategery.
Ancient technique. Unorthodox strategy. Will the young man throw your old master off? And will old wolf die in a bloody mess? Only the Norns can tell us this. My Gothi is thinking because I can smell the fire of his brain.
My body's short-circuiting.
Hey, everybody get around the maypole, please.
Ready? Because this is actually kind of cool. Ready?
Hey, we're already pretty quick now.
Okay, listen. I have control. Stand by.
On 5.
Somebody speaks my language. All right, this is a mead competition. We are playing for the bejeweled bead.
Raise your hand if you've ever had a meat hangover before.
Yay!
Oh, all right. Then you all know what you're in
You
for.
guys know what happens.
Not a great time.
I was like, come on. I was being good for once.
So, clarity, what would you guys say?
They may be the meat hog's choice may be the same as the first person. The meat hog's choice is separate, okay? It may be one of the first, or second, or third. You know what I mean? So they could come in in either one of those places, and then I just need 1, 2, 3.
You guys are very sophisticated over here.
He's up in the hog table, okay? Go the butt! Go the 2 Gothies enter! 1 man leaves!
Mine Gothi. Don't believe him. Don't believe him. He talks about you non-stop.
That's never gonna go away.
No, it's not.
skull, you have to look high and say skull, skull.
Yeah, and I mean, I had a hangover this morning, so now I feel great.
I don't know. I mean, there's people drink alcohol a lot, but this is
I don't know.
a honey-based alcohol. It's completely different. It makes we should go over there and ask him a lot of questions because he will tell us the truth. It is Viking truth serum.
Yeah.
Is this on? Is this on?
My blood.
Is this on? Okay. Sindri. Welcome to Minute with Sindri.
You were going to find out.
That was funny, man.
I have plans with that. Stay tuned.
We're going this way.
Dude, that was funny. When you did that, I was watching.
Are we ready? For all my bare-chested warriors, I'm going to need a drum roll. Okay. Let's talk about some notes from the judges. For third place.
Only in green.
Smells like bratwurst, tastes like ginger. Judges comment? Great. 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 And those were the comments from your very esteemed and obviously well-educated judges.
We all went to
Harvard. Third place, Brewmaster.
Hey, put that on the EPR.
I have the floor. I have the floor.
Hold on.
Your second place choice. This is your choice, not my choice. Taste like tobacco. Honey, tobacco, nice. Leave the longhorn. Your first mead competition. Hold on. Take salute.
That shit, man. That was
Next round.
that shit was good. We've had a lot. Really good.
Is this on? Are we filming?
It's on.
Are we filming today?
Without further ado, everybody welcome our meat hog's choice, the lovely Divine. If you have not won yet, you're still in the running. It's got great flavor. Obviously, we're a highly educated
English
bunch.
is my first language.
Tastes like a soda.
This is your people. You did this.
What do you mean your people? What are you talking about with your people?
The mead people.
Orange. Orange, question mark. Apple, question mark. Both are great.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Honey flavor.
Both great. I know which one this
No, I disagree with that and we'll talk later.
It's a bit tart. But so sweet. We know it's not Divine's. Wish the smell would be like the taste. Really great. Better than any yet. I want more. Your first place winner of the first annual Northwoods Kindred Brew Contest and the winner of the Bejeweled Bee.
Yes.
Yes. The lovely Ari Schultz. We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
Mangoli and Mangoli's Goli. We should show everybody the bear dance.
Hey, what's that?
Right now?
Let's see the bear dance.
You have a bear dance? Are you bear? I thought you hang out with wolves.
He's goddamn right, I am.
He's kind of like a wolf.
He's like a rangy dog.
They're in love. They're on a date.
They're on a date.
Yeah, they're on a date. They're talking about.
Mangoli's Goli and Mangoli's Grim Bear.
Yeah, they're on a date. They're talking about Civil War reenactment. and replica rifles and like costume design. It's so sexy. So sexy.
Hey, let's see that bear dance. You guys are getting way too close to me.
We will cut the cake with a sword, except it's not an NCO sword. It's a Viking sword.